Hi, I'm Amanda Mae Gray, and I'll be your host today.
If you are just joining us, we're just putting in the chat where you are tuning in from physically in the world, and then if you want, what part of your house you are actually tuning in from.
Virtual events don't have to be boring. Let's have some fun together.
For us to continue rolling, are you guys ready to learn a little bit of drama? Give me 2 thumbs up. Woo woo! All right. I like it. I like all these happy faces that I can actually see, and people didn't just run away and turn off their cameras.
I'll bring the energy, you bring the audience, and together we'll make an event they'll sure to remember.
Thank you so much, Kelly. That was fantastic. Did you guys learn something? Because I already have multiple takeaways and ahas.
You need an engaging, enthusiastic, and entertaining MC.
Today, Stephen Box will share with us a story of an important first in his life that didn't quite go the way he thought it was going to. Please help me welcome Stephen Box sharing this story of his first time.
I promise it'll be more fun.
Well, and I appreciated you getting up and doing things because you guys, I'm animated and I like to get engaged.
Let's make your event wow your whole audience.
And that I am supposed to be here. Amanda.
Oh, wow. Thank you for that. That is so powerful. One of my mentors says that our stories are meant to be heard. And I think that's so true. And your story really, really touched me, and I'm sure everyone else here. So thank you for sharing that with us. We are meant to be here. We are meant to be with one another and to learn to utilize our voices in a way that is so powerful and effective, just like that. I hope everybody has gotten a lot out of this workshop that you can take home with you, and you can work on your speeches and go to the next level so that when you speak, when you use this platform, you too can be effective and touch somebody's life. Thank you all for coming. It's so quiet. You guys can come off mute and say bye.
Bye, everybody. Let me, Amanda Mae Gray, be your host for your next virtual event. I'll see you there.